Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to be talking about the latest and greatest, fresh off the press from FEG Token, RTR Crypto, Steve Cha, and the alien himself. And at the end of the video, we'll do some price prediction and technical analysis on this billion-dollar project. Let's just get this video started, everybody. So let's start off by getting a follow and a like on FEG Token over here at FEG Token. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notification is lit. You guys do not want to miss out. If you guys are bullish on SmartDefi, if you guys have solid projects, legit projects for this ecosystem, tap in with me in the Money Bags Mansion. Link down below in the description. But we got this that's very important that I want to cover, because there's going to be a lot of questions that's going to be asked when it comes to the SmartDefi projects and what's different from this launchpad to other ones. So we got FEG Token is solving pre-sale pumps and dumps and driving volume with SmartDefi LGE. FEG has tackled the challenge of pre-sale pump and dumps head on, simultaneously crafted a novel way to drive volume for both FEG and SmartDefi tokens through our innovative liquidity generating event, LGE. Those who are tapped in with me in the Money Bags Mansion, you guys know that I'm launching a project, XPX Pay. It is going to be on SmartDefi project. So tap in with us, because we're going to be talking a lot about this LGE, some of the highlights, some of the features that really makes any project launching on SmartDefi very unique and coming out the gate swinging very, very hard. Tons of utility right out the gate. So we got key highlights. Tokenless partnerships provide ETH or BNB paired to borrow project tokens, growing equity as borrow token value rises. So does ETH or BNB shared in the LP pool. Deflationary mechanics, claiming your LGE share of project liquidity in ETH or BNB burns the pair borrowed tokens for asset back if the SD token has asset backing activated, propelling projects to the deflationary. But something else that's interesting right here that goes into this, when people claim this ETH and BNB, the reason that it's protecting people from pumps and dumps is because they're just claiming the ETH and BNB on this token generating event, this liquidity generating event. So when people want to take their profits or whatever, right, anybody can do that. It does not dump the charts. This is what they're talking about, protecting people from pre-sale pumps and dumps. Because what happens after pre-sale? It rides, and then dumps. So this, when people are maybe ready to exit and maybe not as bullish on a project that they were before, they can claim the ETH and BNB without dumping the chart, which is super bullish. And this is one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on SmartDefi. So propelling projects to be deflationary. No market impact, removing equal USD value ETH or value of ETH tokens or BNB tokens ensures zero negative price impact. Earn while you hold. Collect LP provided swap fees on DEXs while retaining your shares in liquidity. This is something brand new that people have not been talking about this much. And this is something that I'm going to be helping everybody get educated with as we learn more about LGE, as we get our fingers and our hands dirty with it and exactly learn everything about it, because this is revolutionary. This is brand new. This is what FEG Token is about. SmartDefi is about bringing innovation and disrupting the market. That's what building true DeFi is about. And people are going to be able to collect LP provided swap fees on DEXs while retaining your shares in liquidity. That is another way of earning, potential profits. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, but go ahead and dive into this. This is something I'm very bullish on, and I think it's going to be one of the main narratives in 2024 and 2025 is the projects that are launching on SmartDefi, because the charts are going to look so great. We talked a little bit about asset backing. That's going to help, make the project be more deflationary in nature. Same thing with the smart loans. Not to get too lost on that, because we're talking about the liquidity generating part, but same thing when you take, a loan against these tokens. If you don't want to pay the loan, those tokens just get burned and you just keep the claimed ETH or BNB. They're again making the token deflationary in a different aspect, right? Innovative liquidity pairing with FEG. This is brand new. Liquidity provided explain. Liquidity providers contribute ETH or BNB paired with the project's tokens to create a liquidity pool. Our unique twist. Pairing against FEG tokens. Paired against FEG, projects can pair a significant portion, minimum 30%, of their raised funds, ETH or BNB, with FEG tokens, boosting both FEG's liquidity and the project's market presence. Why pair with FEG? This enhances liquidity and connects projects to FEG's established user base and market stability, increasing investors' confidence and stabilizing new token price dynamics. But there's a lot here. This is going to help projects out in the long run as well. Those who hold that 30% that they got in FEG token, because FEG's price is going to continue to pump. And that share, that 30% share, if you stake it, you're going to be earning even more FEG token. And we know, if you watch the video to stake your FEG, how to stake your FEG, you are winning right now on all these transactions. It doesn't matter what's going on with the chart. It doesn't matter what the price action. You're staked up. You're earning a lot of FEG token back. And I believe in this no matter. The reason I support this right here is because I believe that you should pay homage to the goose that laid the golden egg. And FEG token is about to lay the golden egg of all golden eggs for everybody. These are some additional perks. Security first. Voluntary locks for both users and developers enhance security and trust. Developer incentives. Flexible token vesting options for dev share. Aligning long-term project and developer goals. Bonus, airdrops, extra reward and opportunities for LGE participation. Dev share range. Developers can choose from 0 to 50% of LGE with vested interest, providing flexibility and incentive alignment. There is so much flexibility, so much technology being brought to the SmartDefi launchpad that the projects launching on SmartDefi are going to come out swinging. I mean, we are swinging for the fences and we're going to hit some home runs. We are really going to hit some home runs. If you're a solid project and, obviously you're going to provide something to this ecosystem that I've been bullish on for years, I want to give you guys the opportunity to get on my channel and voice what you guys are bringing to the SmartDefi ecosystem, okay? So harnessing the power of FEG pairing. This isn't just a technical process. It's a strategic move to create a symbolic relationship between emerging SmartDefi tokens and the robust FEG ecosystem, which that's what we're going to do. You guys, that's exactly what we're going to do. Explore the liquidity dynamics. Dive into the details of SmartDefi, LGE, and how it leverages FEG for an enhanced market presence liquidity generating event. Make sure you guys tap into the chat. I'll have all their official links down below. We are aiming for the stars, but we're definitely going to land on the moon with FEG token. Make sure you guys like and retweet this. We got Uncle Cha, doing his thing over here. We got partnerships on top of partnerships. So the partnership goes strength and strength, hand in hand. And we're talking about Raid Sharks. You guys know that I did a bullish video on this one. Do not sleep on Raid Sharks. It's already in some of the TGs as far as the projects launching on SmartDefi. You guys are going to see more videos on Raid Shark on this channel. So make sure you guys give them a follow. Go watch the video that I did. Anybody who got into Raid Shark when I first made the video, you guys are up right now. Okay, so huge news for all crypto devs. Our partners, FEG token just kicked off the public testing phase for their groundbreaking SmartDefi token launchpad. Get a sneak peek into the future of decentralized finance. Dive into the testing experience now. This is the testnet. It's back live. There are some new things being added to this, developers and projects coming up with ideas, and the FEG team, made these things happen. And this is super bullish for us. I mean, super bullish. Some words from Dev, the alien himself. Like I said, the alien himself has provided something that's absolutely amazing. He has literally told a dream and a story, but wrote it in code. And it's a dream and a story that I've been bullish on for years. And I know the rest of the team has been bullish on it. And I've been looking forward to SmartDefi for so long. And this launchpad is really going to be revolutionary, not just for FEG token, not just for this ecosystem, but for everybody involved in crypto. There are so many great ideas coming out already, and you guys are going to see a lot of them. One of them is going to be XPX token. You guys know that's the one that I'm going to be launching on SmartDefi. Do your due diligence, do your research. This is going to be super epic for SmartDefi and for everybody who's rocking with me. But we got this. FegRock's public testing of SmartDefi is going very well. We submitted the codes for final review on the secondary audit. Once complete, we will submit the final code to Pexio for final audit review there as well. This is something that's super important. That's why I like this and retweet this. If you're part of the FEG army, go crazy on this. If you're part of SmartDefi, go crazy on this, because I'm going to be talking more about why I'm so bullish, why tokens should launch, or why devs are going to be launching on SmartDefi, why I chose SmartDefi. But this is one of them. Not only do you have staking out the gate, not only do you have lending out the gate, but to top that all off, all these contracts are audited by PeckShield. So out the gate, projects are coming out with staking, lending, and on their websites, they can have that they've been audited by PegShield. And to me, that is super bullish in the overall space when it comes to crypto. This is so bullish for us. So make sure you guys go crazy on this video. Let's get over 100 likes. We have been doing so good on the analytics on YouTube. It's just been ramping up, right? When we go to Feg Tokens homepage, make sure you guys give them a follow, like I said, at Feg Token. We got Crypto Daily. We got some big pages really talking about us. This is how I feel right now with SmartDefi HH. This is how I feel 100% when it comes to SmartDefi. Let's like and retweet this. Guys, go crazy on this. We can see that things have been just ramping up the amount of influencers. When it's Jasmine or this guy right here, he definitely has a lot. I think it's like 1 million. Crypto Daily has 1.1 million. So big shout out to Crypto Daily. 1.1 million people potentially seeing what SmartDefi is all about. You guys part of the Feg army, come over here and smash this like crazy. 168,000 views. That is crazy. Now let's talk price action and see what's going on over here. Like I said, if you watch the video on how to stake, it's not a big deal. We are going to go to, this is $1 billion project all day. The amount of utilities that Feg Token is coming out the gate with, it's crazy. We already got a lot of them that we get to play with on a day-to-day basis. The staking, soon to have the smart tools, the smart lending, which I'm super bullish on, because now you won't have to sell your crypto and miss out on the exposure, especially with BTC pumping like crazy, to pay for whatever you need. People like me, I'm a YouTuber and I trade futures, I trade crypto, I'm a late night degen, and all these things wrapped into the space. I have to sell crypto to be able to do what I do in the real world. But with smart lending, if you know the markets are high and you don't want to sell your crypto, this is a huge tool for people, big or small, that you can just take a loan against your crypto, go do what you got to do, and gain that and keep that exposure of the markets pumping, and maybe not even have to pay it back because the markets have pumped up so much. Obviously, there's exposure to the downside. We'll always keep it transparent, but we are in a hot market. This is the bull run now. We're no longer saying the bull market. Remember, we said we're in the bull market, but not a bull run. Now we are saying we are in the bull run. I don't want to see no sad faces. Bitcoin cruising over 70,000 on a regular basis. All-time highs being broken back to back. If you ever bought a piece of Bitcoin, you're up right now. We are all up right now, and this is just the start. We still have the Bitcoin halving. There are still so many more investors that are going to rush into the space. We got the Bitcoin ETF, ETH ETFs coming. This is going to continue to really flourish, and Feg Token has positioned itself to have a lot of utilities and help new people that come into the space with new great ideas to make something happen. So if this is something that you guys are bullish on, let me know down in the comments. In the short term, the support level is 3073. The resistance is deleting the zero. As always, if we get above holding that deleting a zero, that's super bullish. This is a fire sale opportunity. Fire sale opportunity. Okay, let's see what else we got right here. And just imagine the influx of all that 30% being bought on Feg Token. You guys, we have to connect that dot. We have to read in between the lines of all these projects launching on SmartDefi, and 30% is going to go to getting Feg. The charts are going to go crazy. There's already so many people that want to launch on SmartDefi. So that is going to pump our Feg Token bags up like crazy. And if you're staked up, you're going to reap the benefits of it. Right now, we got the support at 6.8 on the ETH side with some great arbitrage opportunities for those who like that. But like I said, right now, we will see Feg going back over $100 million market cap. We will see Feg going to, go chase his $1 billion market cap, the holy grail of getting past that $1 billion market cap and just holding on to it. So then we can chase the tens of billions of market cap, and anything is possible. If we keep having projects launch on SmartDefi and 30% is going back to Feg, that is crazy right there. The possibilities are truly endless. You guys let me know, what are the possibilities down below. Short term, yes, we're trying to get back above the $50 million market cap. That's going to be that psychological barrier. As far as price, getting back above deleting the zero. As far as market cap, the $50 million market cap is a psychological barrier. So like that, once we break past that round number, we will go chase to that $100 million market cap. But in the short term, we're still looking very good. Consolidation. If you're staked up, none of this matters because you're just receiving Feg and getting ready to get landed on the moon. This is going to happen with this token for sure, and this ecosystem. So I'm super bullish on this. I'm getting very excited because I'm noticing the amount of ramping up by the team and influencers talking about Feg Token. testing going back live, the amount of projects getting their websites ready. This is the momentum that we want. We've been quiet for a while. It is time to shake up the space. It is time to get pumped up about Smart DeFi and FEG token and this ecosystem. Let me know if you guys feel how I feel. I am super excited for this. We are so close. Just stay down for the come up. Keep grinding, keep working for your bags. That's what I've been doing, and it has paid off tremendously. And we're going to keep doing that on this channel. Tap in with me on the Money Bags Mansion link down below in the description. You guys, this is going to be an epic bull run. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me because you deserve it. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.